You're receiving the CyberStream System Update, your daily bite of cyber news. My name is Matt Cordell, and I'm the COO of CyberStreams. We are your neighborhood IT department. Today's update, Microsoft's Copilot Chatbot Builder. If you use chatbots or AI to simplify repetitive tasks in your business or are interested in doing so, you may be interested in know more about Microsoft's Copilot Chatbot Builder. While previous versions of Copilot included a selection of ready-to-use chatbots for tasks like cooking, vacation planning, and working out, the Builder tool allows you to create your own for specialized functions. It also includes the ability to create GPTs that generate images using DALL-E 3's image generation function. Microsoft's Copilot Chat Builder is available as part of the $30 per month Copilot Pro subscription. This includes the full functionality of Copilot Pro, which will enable subscribers to use Copilot within the Microsoft 365 apps, so you won't need to purchase additional subscription if you want access to the generative AI functionality on Microsoft Teams and more. I've put together 3 takeaways and next steps. First, how Microsoft's Copilot Chat Builder works. Microsoft's Copilot Chat Builder doesn't require any coding skills. Instead, you can use a series of prompts, guides, and natural language to build a chatbot for virtually any function. First, you give the chatbot a name and describe its purpose, giving it instructions for what you want it to do. The Copilot Chat Builder may ask additional questions to clarify your task and provide sample prompts, including topics to avoid or include in responses. Once you answer all the questions, the builder will produce the chatbot you can add to your site. 2. Specific to your organization or purpose. One of the most useful features of the chatbot builder for businesses is the ability to specify Retrieval Augmented Generation or RAG for responses. This feature ensures that the chatbot pulls information from your organization to provide accurate responses. For instance, if you want to provide a place where employees can search for answers regarding your company policies, use RAG to build the chatbot, which focuses the responses on your company data. And 3, make your chatbot public. Adding the chatbot builder to Microsoft Copilot can save you a lot of time by ingesting large amounts of data or reference documentation and providing fast and accurate responses to questions. Instead of hunting through policy documents or reference documents, you can use the custom chatbot to do the research for you in seconds. Now, if you choose the option in the building menu that makes your custom GPTs public, this can play an important role in many facets of your company, including HR management and customer service. From a management perspective, a chatbot can reduce the time spent answering repetitive questions or tackling simple tasks, freeing your schedule for other priorities. For more information on this story or how CyberStreams can help you understand your CyberFit score using our proprietary CyberFit assessment, check out the description or comments accompanying this content. This concludes your CyberStream system update, and this is Matt Cordell signing off.